Hiya there and welcome to Eternia Collectables. Right then, what I do buy quite a lot of at Eternia Collectables is artwork, design work. I tend to be quite interested in that type of thing. And what I've got here is something unusual, and I don't know if you're watching this video, can help me out with this one. But what we've got here, and it came in a folder, is some Stage 1 Nike Jordan design work. What we've got, which I've never seen before in one of these design things, we've got these like silicone blocks, and you've got Jordan sign on one with him doing his jump, and then we've got the Jordan sign here. So these are silicone. I've never seen them. I'm not sure if they're printing blocks or what. And then what you've got here is a computer printed out Jordan sign, and then you've got just a white piece of paper with Air written on there. And then we've got another piece of paper here. Obviously these were printed off a computer. And then we've got just the Jordan. Again, these are just a piece of paper printed on a computer, so they're not hand drawn. And then we've got the acetate sheets there with the Jordan sign. We've got another one here, a bigger one. A bit dusty, they're not in the best of conditions. What I'm going to do is I'm going to list these on my website. I think, you know, if someone's interested in these, I'm just going to charge 20 quid. And if there is a really nice Nike collector out there who wants to frame all this and do something with it, then that's up to them. It's like this one here, it's got a bit of the paper stuck to it. But if it's carefully cleaned and polished, it will come out. And then we've got another Jordan sign here. So as I say, these come in this folder here, which just says Jordan Stage 1 on them. But what I think's interesting, these two little signs here. So obviously these are what we used to originally sort out the designs. And I think if you frame these up in a really nice 3D type of frame, and you know, put Nike on there, it'd make a really nice display piece for a Nike collector of trainers or anything like that. I think these are going from all the normal designs. So I've brought a lot of Triumph pictures before, and you know, they're designs where people are drawing them, and I've brought a lot of Airfix absolutely tons. Actually, I brought the whole Airfix design department once when it closed down, and I have got several £100s for just single pieces before. But what I'm going to do, because this, I've got to admit, it's not in the best of conditions. You know, some of it does need a bit of a polish up, and there are some marks in there. But if anyone can tell me a little bit more about this stuff, it'd be quite cool. Or if you think that this is a complete and utter bargain, just check out my link at the end of the website. Go on my website and just purchase it. As I say, I'm going to put it on for £20, which I don't think is a lot. I think if you frame these two items here and did a backdrop and, you know, remounted them really nice, I think to a Nike collector you'd get quite a good resale. But I can't be bothered to go and mount all this stuff. But I just think it's interesting. I don't know how old it is. I don't even know where I got it from. I buy a hell of a lot of stuff at auction, and this was just in one of the envelopes. This might sound a little bit amazing what I'm about to tell you, but I think this might have came from the Airfix design department, which seems weird. But what they used to do is subcontract people, and there'd be people, you know, who may have worked for them who were doing work for other people. That's why it ended up in one of the Airfix cabinets. Because obviously Nike Air Jordan has nothing to do with model kits. But I genuinely can't remember. I buy that much stuff. But this I just pulled out the loft, and it was in one of the envelopes. And I got to admit, when I brought the Airfix design department contents, I had a lot of the prototype Star Wars drawings for the vehicles and stuff. And Kenner actually made that stuff, not Airfix. So Airfix, I think, did a lot of freelance work for other people on the design department, and that's why this stuff could have ended up with there. Again, I don't know why it's got the little Manchester always look on the bright side sticker at the bottom. So I don't know if this was just on there and then some staff worker just put that on there. But it's a little bit of a weird lot. So Nike Air Jordan Stage 1 design work. Anyway, thanks for looking. Please like, comment, subscribe. And I get loads more weird stuff all the time. So it does pay to actually subscribe, because I don't charge the earth for my stuff. I just go to estate sales, I go to auctions, and I buy boxes full of weird paperwork like this and collectibles. and there is some real gems in some of them time to time. Anyway, thanks for looking. Bye bye.